I'm not doing attendance every week. It's not part of the mark per se, but I do kind of recognize the names. And certainly if people need any extra help or whatnot, I'm certainly more than willing to do that. But I do kind of expect that if people do want extra help, that they are at least joining in during our class time. One more thing, if you notice, I posted assignment 2 on my Canvas. Basically, you'll just answer a couple quick questions and then submit a VSTRO file to me. So hopefully you can upload the VSTRO file. I haven't tested it yet. I can't test it myself. So I'm hoping that works. So fingers crossed that that will work. And if anyone has any, just let me know. All right, we're now recording, and I'm going to share my screen and start with today's module.